Okay, after sighting the bullets, I have to count it, which is I have to handle it again twice. There are two ways of doing it. Use a scale and a calculator, and then on both you gotta rely on the battery and your math skill. Or you can go on Amazon and buy two of these counters for $7, free shipping. Very simple. I'm making a block of wood, scrap wood. I can rotate this way, slide up and down, so there's a lot of adjustment. Just fix and fit. Same thing on the side here. As you can see, I did 200 already. And there's a adjustable stop here. That thing is also adjustable. I can turn it. I'll show you. Put one in. Go down. $201. This is what 201 bullet look like. Put another one in. Hit it. 202. Which is pretty low tech, but I don't have to handle my bullet twice, and I don't need a scale or a calculator. It can be removable. I can do casing, whatever, different size bullets. Works out pretty good.